Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we learned all about operators in Java, how to perform calculations and make logical decisions. But all the logic is useless unless our program can interact with the user. So today we will learn how to take input from the user and display the output using the scanner class in Java. Let's start. In every program, we often need to read some information from the user like numbers, names or marks and then display the result. Input is the data which we give to the program and output is the data the program shows back to us. In Java, the easiest way to handle input is by using a scanner class, which is part of the java.util package. To use a scanner, we first need to import it, whose syntax is import java.util.scanner. Think of this as telling Java, hey, I want to use this scanner tool. Next, we create a scanner object connected to our keyboard input system.in, whose syntax is scanner sc, which is the name of the object, is equals to new scanner system.in. Here, scanner is the class, sc is the object name, you can choose any, and system.in means input is coming from the keyboard. Now comes the fun part, taking input. Let's take all types of input one by one. Here, in this example, next line reads a full line of text, including spaces, and is used for taking string inputs. Next int reads an integer and is used for taking integer input. Next double reads a decimal and is used for taking double inputs. Next char at 0 reads only the first character and is used for taking a character input. So when you run this program, Java will wait for you to type each value one by one and then it will print all of them as output. Output in Java is super easy. We use system.out.print or system.out.println. The difference is simple. Print method keeps the cursor on the same line and println moves the cursor to the next line after printing, as you can see in the example. Now listen carefully, this part confuses many beginners. If you use next int or next double and then next line after it, you might notice it skips input. That happens because next int doesn't consume the new line character. To fix this, always write one extra sc.nextLine after taking numeric input if you plan to take a string next. As in the example, that tiny line sc.nextLine saves you from a lot of confusion. Once you are done taking input, it's a good practice to close the scanner object using sc.close. This helps free up system resources. So to summarize, import a scanner using import java.util.scanner, create object using scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in, take input using next int, next double, next line or next.char, display output using system.out.println, close scanner using sc.close. Simple and powerful. And that's how we handle input and output in Java using a scanner class. In the next video, we will move on to control statements, if, else and switch, which helps us to make decisions in programs. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.